In nature's harsh arena, water reigns supreme. Over billions of years, Earth perfected its filtration, purifying every drop through layers of soil and intricate ecosystems. This masterpiece of natural engineering holds the key to life itself. Our bodies mirror nature's genius, with tiny aquaporin proteins in our body, acting as cellular water filters. This harmony between external and internal purification reminds us that water isn't just about quenching thirst. It's about embracing life's essence in its purest form. Every sip of water connects us to nature's wisdom and our own biological marvel. Experience nature's filtration miracle. A new drinking water filtration system coming soon to revolutionize hydration in the UAE.